5 minutes. And it's Zimbabwe attacking at the moment. Not many chances really created in the match. Dube and Musona in attendance there. Musona in your shot. One of the few chances Zimbabwe tried to create. But a corner kick here. And the goalkeeper was right there, Dieng. In the absence of Mendy. That's a lovely ball to the part of Sani. And you would have thought that this would be the first goal. The first touch let him down completely. And he knows that he could have done far better, sir. Sani with the pass here, absolutely brilliant. And the first touch simply let him down. And Harry will be very happy for that. But clearly, it was the most brilliant opportunity for the Senegalese. And it would end 0-0 after 45 minutes. Senegal with a lounge shade. Sani. But outside that pass, we have an opportunity to watch some of the highlights. And at this angle, Johnny, we're complaining, but at this level, you don't miss such opportunities. And that was most unfortunate. He slipped on that occasion. It was Sani himself. Well, the control not the best. But have you been impressed with the way Sani has played so far?
He's trying to do well in terms of trying to get the ball between the two centre backs and also release the ball in time. I think he's creating a lot of opportunities for his teammates, because when you have the ball, he makes sure that,
that was
the final pass.
Sorry.
All his passes are going right, and I think he's giving a lot of problems to. He's moving as a leader, and he's taking the game to the opponent, which is very good. And I think as a leader, this is what you need to show up on the field. But I think he's doing well. The first half, and I think second half will do more.
But from point, clearly there's a problem with the coordination of the Senegalese. I mean, if you're entering the competition as one of the favorites, not just to win this match, but to win the tournament, because last season you saw what they did, and getting to this match, wonderful build-up. I mean, one of the few countries that went unbeaten throughout the series. But the standard so far displayed, I'm sorry, but doesn't portray them as one of the favorites to win the ultimate trophy.
Yeah, I mean, looking at them in the first half, that's what you would like to think. But obviously, it's a tournament game, and it's still 90 minutes. There's still a second half to come, you know. But obviously, at the moment, they're looking a little bit slow. They're not really making good tackles, and they're not making the right decisions. But you know, in the